and caught the big fish that you'll see in this video. Spoiler alert. Welcome to Go Fishing. This is the channel. If you just enjoy fishing, this is the channel for you. So let's get out there. Good afternoon, anglers. The video you're about to watch, I basically hijacked my friend Bill's boat. I was going bank fishing and I was walking down and I saw him down there. I went down there to talk to him. He invited me to come on his boat, so we did. I'm pretty sure that he may have regretted that because I did catch, unfortunately for him, the biggest and the most fish. There we go. Thank you for this. I'll have to return the favor.
I think Door County, Wisconsin and Green Bay, I think that's the #1 summer tourist spot.
Some people start to get upset. You know, oh, here we go. Net time, net time. Where is she? Oh, it's a big drum. That's okay.
It's a fish.
It's a big drum. You're also going to want to watch the boat, my friend. You want me to get him unhooked while you...
Yeah.
Exactly. I'll get him unhooked for you.
At first I thought it was a bass, you know, but then you could tell.
Ho! Hooked up, hooked up. Better fish? Yeah, yeah, a little bit better fish. That's a good one. That's a guad.
Last time I caught quite a few guads.
Yeah, the guads have been, especially in a place like this, the spot like this, there's gonna be a lot of guads. We don't have any food for you, bro. You can move on. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't mean it literally. Golly. You don't have to leave. Three in a row, 3 in a row. Better fish? I'll net him for you. Oh yeah, that's a 2-pounder. That's a nice, well, 1.5 pounds, yeah.
Yeah, a little better. That's
a little better fish.
Maybe 14, 15 inches.
There's a better fish. So, cleaner water and more of a shad pattern. Seems like what's going on right now.
And much easier to fish.
Yes.
Consistently.
It is. Yeah, this is a point that you don't even know is here unless you get up on it. Because the shoreline wouldn't tell you that this is here.
No.
That one hooked up. At this point, it don't matter. Oh yeah, he's feisty though. More of a natural. Oh, that's a largie.
A little bit of greenish color.
Yeah. That's a cool little largie.
Green.
Yeah. That's a fun sized little fish. Hesitated half a second before I set the hook. Is it a little bass?
I bet it's a little guad or something.
It is. It is. You're right. No, it's a largie, I think.
Oh, it is a largie.
Okay. Quick release. Love it.
The bloomer population is pretty big, you know, and you know, the old motorcycle guys are riding 3-wheelers and stuff like that now.
Hooked up. Okay, that feels like a nice fish. I was fishing. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice fish. Yep, and I got it. Oh, he's caught in my rod. I'm gonna let you take care of that if you don't mind, sir. That's a decent fish. Oh, you might want to get back on your trolling motor. You're gonna get right back over this. If you can get it loose, I can net him.
I can get it.
Okay, well, I'll let you do it. Look at this fish. This is on the Ned rig, your chartreuse, but a little sink, like half a Senko. Where are you going, man? There you are.
Ooh, that's a nice
Yeah, let me get him back around to you. Let me get him around to you. In the net. Woo! Yeah, look at that fish.
That's probably a good 4.5.
Oh, he's bigger than that. Look at that fish.
5.
Look at that fish. See the Ned rig and your jig head.
Yeah.
You watch the shallow though. Okay, awesome. Here we go.
Yeah, that's
Woo-wee. Man, let me unhook him. Oh, he was barely hooked too. Oh, yeah, barely hooked. Awesome.
Get that scale here real quick.
Yes, sir. That feels good. There we go. All right. 4.6.
6.
4.5. We'll just call it 4.5.
Yeah, 4.5.
Sweet. All right, let's get you back in the water, my friend, before we cause you any more damage. Absolutely gorgeous. There she goes. But I hooked one, changed the color from that goldish to a more darker smoke silver glitter. That's a pretty fish though. That's a nice fish. Yeah. No, I'll take this fish all day long. Whoop. Nope, this is just a standard old swim bait jig head. Awesome. I'll take it. Thank you, Mr. Oh, he's fat too. He's fat. There it is. Oh, I missed it again. Another tap. That makes you wonder if it's a crappie or something. Watch out, little duck. I don't want to hook you. I'm gonna jump out from get out from the backside. I've got my Crocs tennis shoes on, so it don't matter if I get a little muddy. It's up. I move these rods, and once we're clear, I will jump back in. The things we do to go fish. You should have enough depth now, right? And I'm in. Awesome. Bite.
I thought it was, but I don't think it was.
There's one. There's one. Right off that little stump right there. A little better fish. He's a 2-pounder. Nah. I think he's hooked really good. Feels good to have a decent fish though. Yeah. Nice little 2-pounder on my grub. Alright, now we'll quit fooling around with you and get you into boat. Yeah, he's hooked good. Right in the corner of the mouth. Right where he belongs.
What, a 15-incher maybe?
Yeah, he's 1.5 pounds.
Solid fish. I guess that would weigh on this Major League Fishing.
It would definitely weigh in a tournament, although I'm not a tournament fisherman, so. Pretty fish too, he's beautiful. Ow, oh, you got one? Doubled up? Yeah, you can catch the 1/2 pounders, I'll catch the, you know, I'm satisfied.
Yeah, you're my guest. I gotta let you catch the big ones.
That's fish. Oh, it's a big guad. Look at him.
This is a nice one.
Whoop. Oh, quick
From
release.
Magnolia. So I said, well, it's about 200 and some miles each way. So by the time I got home, I had my 500 miles on it.
Yeah, right?
And I said that was a good excuse to buy a new rod.
It is. He's a pretty fish.
Yeah.
Well, that's number 5. I'm happy now. 5 is kind of like my bellwether. I like to catch 5 fish.
So you wanted it where they could use it on the weekends?
Sure, that makes sense.
And it was like an hour from your house. But their lake is like Lake Travis in the summer.
There's one.
All their kids.
Hey, fun sized little quad. See ya. Good for me.
Numbers today, but quality.
Yeah, I'm completely happy. 100%. There's a small fish. Yep, he's small, but he's a fish. That's a quad. He is. Beautiful fish. Whoop, see ya. When we moved to Hawaii, we bought a brand new Ford Explorer. Oh, there's a little one. And yeah, we over the course.
The water level got high, and there's a lot of weeds there, and you really can't walk the shoreline. So,
There's one.
okay.
I probably set the hook a little too hard on a little fish, but
Yeah, well,
I wasn't going to let that happen again.
you don't know. So, you know, you feel it
These quads are spawning. Look at those orange eyes.
yeah.
They're probably spawning in this deeper shelves, and you'll never see their beds.
The ledge,
Yeah, you'll
drop
never
down
see their beds.
10 feet or something.
He's a pretty one. And I got one too. Almost doubled up. Almost. Woo! That's 3 in a row that have done that same thing. There must be some 3,500 miles on it.
Now, this is the best fighter I had in a long time,
He's a good looking one too.
and he's not even that big.
No. He took your worm though. He took your swim bait, gone.
I've got a few extras. Jackie Gleason fan to honeymoon.
Yeah, I love Jackie Gleason.
You remember when you get nervous, you go hum,
Oh,
hum, hum.
hum.
And he says, Dave was there with his girlfriend, and she was cracking me up. He says Dave was
There's a
trying
fish.
to talk, and he couldn't. He was going hum.
That's hilarious. I never get nervous about meeting people. They're just human beings. Little baby one.
I think you got the record back. Smallest fish.
That is definitely the
All 12
smallest grades in a place like that in the Rio Grande Valley.
That was cool, huh?
She went with the same 7 people from kindergarten through 12th grade. She said a few others would come and go over the years, but the same 7 of them.
And that's what he needs. One of my cousins, she went to a school like that in Wisconsin. They have 2 high schools up there.
There's a fish on the Ned rig. He was out a little further than, a little deeper. Yeah, it's a better fish for sure. He's nowhere near the size of the day.
Smallest and the biggest. He made a clean sweep.
Bloop. Well, thank you. That was a very kind of you to be. Oh, there you go. Oh, but I didn't. Well, not yet anyway.
Key fob here and take my hand off. Little guad again, Calvin?
Yep, little guad on the shoreline.
I can tell you hit it and pull my swim bait down.
Sometimes if I have a guide trip, I'll bring them over to a shoreline like this just to break the ice and get a few fish in the boat. Because this is almost a guarantee. You know, throw a small bait. There you go, there you go.
Good luck there.
There you go. You're gonna yeet him out of the water. That's awesome.
What?
That's really cool.
Years ago,
There you go, there you go.
I came back here. This is even better.
You want the net? Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice fish.
Probably my best.
Oh, he's fat too. Look at his belly.
That's probably my best one.
That fool's been eaten. Yeah, that's a nice fish.
He inhaled that.
He's super pretty too. Name your price. Fish. The evening of the tiny fish.
This is practice day.
Doop. Apparently it wasn't that attractive to him. There's a fish. A little better hook set this time. Finally get it in the boat. He was over there just where the yellow strap's going in the water.
Is that a quad?
Yep. Oh, wee! Get back up here, bro. What are you doing, man? You're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
I got a feeling that's what hit mine this time.
Probably. Pretty fish. Awesome.
Rocks and bluffs.
You got one?
Yeah, little one.
Oh yeah, fun size. It's a good mix out here as largies and quads. You have to wade through 20 little ones to get to a 3-pounder though, on these bluff walls because they're so scattered.
Best one of the day.
Yeah. He's been eating. Look at how fat his belly is.
Got a gut on him.
He gave you a little attitude there at the end too. Another beautiful sunset. We had a great outing. Bill's a great guy, even if he is from Wisconsin. It was tough at first. Bill was fishing little minnow imitating swim baits really slowly offshore. And he caught 3 or 4 fish before I even really got a good bite. But once we dialed it in, the 2 best baits were a Ned rig head with a 4-inch piece of a 6-inch Senko stick bait. Threaded it on the Ned rig and caught the big fish that you'll see in this video. Spoiler alert. And also multiple other fish. The other bait was the good old standard Golitis grub. This one was in the, what is it? Flash color. I tried an Izzy color, which is similar, but it has more of a gold hue, and only got tail biters. But I switched to this and caught some fish. Thank you, subscribers. We appreciate you guys watching, and see you on the next one. Go fishing.